Do you struggle with keeping track of seasonal and holiday decorations? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about how to organize and store your seasonal decorations here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field, and I come across with my clients lots and lots of seasonal and holiday decorations that are all over someone's home. And the problem with that is if you can't find what you need when you need it, then you're spending a lot of money on these decorations that can get damaged or lost or never get put out. And what's the fun of that? So in this video, we're going to solve that problem for you. You know, seasonal decorations can quickly become a source of clutter in your home if you don't store them properly. And if you organize your decorations, it'll save you time and make seasonal decorating so much easier. So the first thing you want to do is sort and categorize your decorations. Separate out all your decorations by the season or by the holiday. And within each group, you want to sort the items by type, like you see here in this photo. So even though it's all the same holiday, there are different types of decorations. So separate them out. And discard or donate decorations if they are damaged, outdated, or no longer used. The second step is to choose the right storage container. So, plastic bins are really helpful with seasonal decorations because they protect your items from moisture and pests, like, as I like to call them, creepy crawlies. Think of bugs and spiders, and hopefully not mice, but yes, sometimes mice. So, rather than keep things in a paper box that is not going to help protect you from the elements or the insects, bins are much safer. You can use clear bins for visibility, or you can color code them to match the season or the holiday. So, for example, you can get orange and black totes for Halloween or blue totes for wintertime. And then you can use specialty containers like ornament boxes, light reels, or wreath keepers to protect fragile or oddly shaped items. The third step is to organize the actual space where you're going to keep your seasonal decorations. You want to choose a place that's accessible and dry, like a closet, attic, basement, or garage shelf. And if you need to install extra shelves, do that to maximize vertical space and also to keep containers off the floor if at all possible. As you decide where to put each of the containers, you want to place heavier bins on the bottom and lighter or fragile items closer to the top. The fourth step is to create an inventory system. So you can do this very simply by having a list of items that you tape to the inside of the bin's lid for easy identification. Or if you want to go digital, you can make a spreadsheet that lists each container and its contents with some photos for reference. The fifth step is to protect fragile decorations. So you can use things like bubble wrap, tissue paper, or foam sheets for more delicate items. And you can store ornaments and glassware in containers that have dividers like this photo to prevent breakage. And my last step is to rotate and update your decorations. So store your current season's decorations in accessible locations and keep others further back. But each year, you want to review your collection for the season or the holiday and remove items that are no longer working for you or that you're no longer using. And that's it. I'd love to hear from you on some of your tips for holiday and seasonal decorations. So comment below. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.